Good afternoon, YouTube. Dave here. We are on a, what is it? What's today? Today is Saturday, April the 4th. And I didn't expect to have a cold day. Since I worked the evening shift, I actually didn't even realize that the cold front came in. I knew there was thunder and lightning this morning. Excuse me. I was sneezing, not coughing. I know there was thunder and lightning this morning, but I didn't expect for there to be a cold front. It's pretty good weather. Give me a chance to turn on that little heater on the truck. You might want to ask, what am I doing with a mask on? Well, according to the county's new regulation says that if you're going to be out in the public, even though I'm out here in the middle of nowhere, the farmland, I got to wear a mask now. So since we have to abide by the rules of the county and the state and federal government, I do kind of look ridiculous wearing a mask, but I am in public. I am in a public area right now, which is open land out here. I'm not inside the truck, but I am inside. I'm in the public area, so I have to wear a mask because that's what they require. It's a new regulation that came up. I don't mind, actually, because it's cold. It actually keeps my face warm. Anyways, a lot of things have pretty much run down the same routine. The victims of the coronavirus have gone up, and because there's a privacy issue, we're not allowed to know who they are. So it kind of gets me to think that if there really is a victim out there, the victims are up on the rise. And although I haven't passed by the hospitals, but I don't live toward that area, but kind of gets you to wonder, is there really people getting sick? I haven't seen any. I mean, other than the people that just get us the thing of what comes out in the media, what comes out in the. Now I've seen this come out on CNN, MSNBC, CBS. You know, victims coming out on TV. I haven't seen any on Fox News. I guess maybe that's why Fox News is more of true news in comparison to the rest, because CNN has been caught lying to the public. But anyways, I want to show you this field is pretty much ready to get picked up, with the exception of this cold front that came in. Can't do anything about this cold front now, but these onions are ready to get picked up. Let me show you one of these. Real nice, healthy onions. Now this is what you call a good grade A onion. Of course, we're changing the subject because in reality, I don't really want to think about the virus too much anymore. It just makes people sad. Let's start talking about what I do best: the farming, onions, vegetables. It's pretty much a vegetable. It's not considered a fruit. We have some good lunch here. This is ready to get picked up already. It's moderate size. It's small, but we have some that are being sold as small stock, small bulk. But we're just waiting for the leaf to dry up to make it easier to pick up these onions already. But that'll be on another subject already. I'm gonna go ahead and end this one because it is getting a little bit cold, and I'm gonna get back inside the truck where it's warm. I'll get with you all tomorrow. I'm gonna try to not talk too much about the coronavirus anymore and just end it at the 13th day. You know what? No, I don't want to end it at 13th day. It's a bad luck number. I'm going to talk about the coronavirus for one more day and end it on the 14th day. And unless something major comes up, then I'll bring it up. But other than that, let's just go ahead and end it for now because it's pretty cold right now. The cold front is hitting me pretty good. I'm not sure if you can even hear me because I got the northern wind hitting my face. So even though this thing has a couple of speakers, or a couple of microphones, but it's probably been a little bit quiet. Still, it might be a little bit too much wind for this video, but we're gonna try it out anyways. If there's too much wind on this clip, I won't use it. Anyways, this is Dave here. Coming back to you here at the ranch. Pretty much just relaxing inside the truck. I figured I'd just walk around since I ate that hamburger. I wanted to digest all that stuff down. Anyway.